What is global warming? Global warming is defined as the increase in the overall temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, which is mainly contributed by the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is when gaseous compounds such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane, and chlorofluorocarbons are released into the atmosphere in order to let sunlight in and keep its heat trapped in the atmosphere. However, when much of these compounds are released into the atmosphere due to human activity, this means that the atmosphere is holding in more heat than is necessary, which causes the increase in the global temperature.
Why is the topic of interest? Global warming is a topic of interest due to the quick growth in greenhouse gases that are affecting our climate, which are developing quicker than some living things are able to adjust. Our climate is becoming more and more unpredictable, which is resulting in new challenges to all life. Weather can become more extreme, and the world we live in could become a lot more dangerous over time. For example, sea levels are rising, glaciers are melting, forests are dying, animals are struggling to stay alive, and all of these unfortunate events will only continue to worsen. We have caused this warming through an outrageous amount of heat-trapping gases that we release as we continue our everyday lives. Global warming is extremely important and is something that has to be taken seriously in order to make a change.
The current state of knowledge. Agencies across the globe have recorded many temperature measurements over time. Many scientists have analyzed that the Earth's average surface temperature has raised 0.8 degrees Celsius since the early 20th century and continues to rise. The Earth's climate can certainly fluctuate from year to year due to natural forces, but greenhouse gases are driving the larger upward trend in temperatures. There are other various indicators that prove global warming is present and currently happening around us, such as higher temperatures, heavier tropical storms, hotter heat waves, powerful hurricanes, severe droughts, shrinking ice sheets and glaciers, sea level rising, and more humidity in the atmosphere.
Rising temperatures contributed to global warming also aren't simply contained to Earth's surface. The ocean is a vital part of our world, and it covers 2/3 of this planet's surface. More than 90% of heat generated by greenhouse gas emissions is absorbed into our ocean. The degree of which the oceans have warmed up is pretty alarming. It's about 12 degrees Celsius per decade. What's more alarming, though, is the rate at which it's heating up. It's almost double the previous rate of 7 degrees Celsius per decade. If this trend continues, our world will continue to progressively get hotter and hotter with each passing decade.
Controversies over global warming not existing have been around since we discovered what global warming really is. Some scientists do not believe there is a measurable uptrend in global temperatures. There are other scientists that believe data could be incorrect, and other people believing in a natural climate shift or other greenhouse gases that could affect our planet. Along with these beliefs, India and China use coal as their main source of energy. Many jobs throughout the world could be lost, including in the US. As time goes on, technological advances should help us get out of the hole that we dug. Global warming is very real, and it will continue to get worse if we don't do anything about it.
So what are the future directions of global warming? So it is proven that humans play an important role in global warming, but there are many factors that could help humans better the planet, such as people and governments working to cut greenhouse gases, improvements to energy efficiency and vehicle fuel economy. Electing the right people into office also makes a huge difference. Our voice truly does matter. Using technology such as social media to bring awareness of the situation. Economics, sociology, politics, and technology are important factors in planning the future of global warming. There are many options that the world can follow in order to get on the right path to secure a stable climate.